The challenge with food systems is really complex, right? All the different players involved, the supply chains, the complexity of the machines, the technology. You see all of these trucks on the highway delivering food from one place to another. We get berries from California, we get lettuce from California. We live in Canada. Why the heck are we driving trucks all over North America? Why can't we make food closer to home? With Relocalize, we had the luxury of really coming at this with a blank sheet of paper and saying, what if we could make it all go away?
Our mission is to eliminate the transportation in the first place, eliminate the chain in the supply chain. Decarbonizing our food supply chain cannot just be for the wealthy. It has to be for everyone for it to work. We chose a product that was going to be economically viable.
Well, the first product we make is packaged ice, of all things. And packaged ice is usually made in a big factory. So for the entire province of Quebec, there's one. And all the packaged ice that's made there is delivered to the stores and distribution centers around Quebec from that one location. We had built our first prototype. It was in Cambridge, Ontario. And we really wanted to go to the next level, which is put that prototype into a real world environment. CFIN supported us financially for that project, and it's made all the difference. Now it's real, and now we're operating the very first autonomous microfactory for the food industry in the whole world. People talk a lot about local food. Food miles is a big part of that. How many miles does food travel on a truck? So when you go local, you're reducing those food miles and you're reducing the carbon. And we take it one step further. We call it hyper-local. We're not just close, we are actually co-locating production with distribution or fulfillment. It's a one-step journey for food. So food is made and food goes to the customer or to the store from the same spot.
We aren't going to be able to harvest grain on a micro scale. That doesn't work. That's where the traditional farming methods, as optimally executed as possible, are still going to prevail.
We can't make every food product. We're going to start with ice and we'll be moving beyond that at some stage. But this is such a big problem. What we really hope to do is catalyze a movement.
To make a really big impact in the world and for our climate, being able to remove 70, 80, 90% of the carbon footprint by eliminating middle mile logistics, that's exciting. That's a game changer.